Hello friends, I will be showing you how to preserve fresh aloe vera plant for future use. This is how I preserve it to be used in the future for hair and skincare handmade product. I will be storing these two big aloe vera plants. I got these two plants from my local grocery store. You do not need gloves if you will be using this fresh or for personal use. Since these are going to be used on product I'm selling, all precautions have to be taken. You need a knife to cut them into workable sizes. Please be careful with the knife while cutting aloe vera plant. For me, it's easier to get to the meat by slicing the side tip off, then slice off the straighter part of the aloe vera plant. I will be showing you this few times, so watch and let me know if you have any question in the comment section below. Now that all the meats are collected, it's time for blending. I use my trusted Ninja bullet to blend everything together. I got several packs of this ice cube maker from dollar store. They come in two for $1. Pouring the blended aloe vera in the ice cube maker and let it sit in the freezer for 24 hours. Now that it's frozen, it's totally iced out and ready to be transferred to a Ziploc bag for storage in the freezer. I always write the date on the storage bag so I know which ones to use first. And then I know if it's past 6 months and if I have not used it, then I'm going to have to dispose it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much for always being here. If you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and do not forget to give me a like for this video if you like it. Love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Mwah. XOXO. Bye.